Walk out, walk out, walk out. If you're hit, walk out. You don't need the... Kid, what are you doing?
What's up, guys? Today we're checking out the new MCP 556 from G&G Armament.
Where'd you get the blue can? I'm not fucking telling you.
I was about to say it.
G&G sent me this to take a look at, which seems to be a solid mid-range gun in both price and performance, as you'll see in the video. Real quick, before we get into that, make sure to check out my sponsor, hi-capa Customs. If you're looking for the best pistol and rifle upgrades, they got them. And as always, a very special thank you to my patrons for funding my legal battles, especially Tyler, Armando, Prometheus, Joe, and Ryan for being top contributors. Thanks, guys.
Whoa!
FBI, open up!
Oh God, they know we're in here.
Oh, dude, they tossed a grenade in preemptively.
Whoops. Didn't happen. Sorry, I'm hitting the guy behind you. Oh shit, bro. The fuck are those? Like 5-0s? There we go. Yes. I thought that was a grenade. Changing. Oh, worst time to change. There we go. Speedy boy moving left to right. What's our color? We have it. Other side of the water tower, there's a speed boy. Got him. One guy at the spool. Yeah.
Good kill.
Boo! You're safe. You're hard covered.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you're hard covered.
Oh,
That's just me. Hey, is he right on this corner?
Oh, let me go get him. My battery's done.
Watch your left.
He's out. Alright, we'll give him 2 minutes. Alright, got you. Alright, let him out of the bunker. Alright, 2 minutes, we can end this round.
Hey, they're gonna push up.
Don't lean out too far.
Why the f are you doing an accent, dude?
No big deal. Yeah, he's on the other side. Got you?
I got him. Gas blowback and real plays. What the f is wrong with you?
Gas blowback, real plates. Let's go, dude. Happy Saturday.
What the f is this? What is that? Is that your heart rate?
Got it. Oh, no. It's the compass, so that way I know which way I'm getting.
Very nice.
What do we say?
Lead the way. You're the ranking officer.
I mean that fucking lead from the rear.
Oh, I didn't think you were gonna stop already. No, ain't nothing happening back here, Kelly. We gotta get into the sandwich. Yeah. I hear him, I don't see him.
I think we might be good on this side.
Nope. Close, close. 2 up, 1 right from you.
Damn.
Oh shit. What do you think? Am I gonna hit it? Am I gonna hit it? F that. Ugh. Got action over here. Oh yeah, there's one on the other side of these barrels.
You can jump to peak, but no jump shooting, and no shooting through any small cracks. That's not the size of your adult hand.
Where's the corner? Where's the corner? I see you seeing me.
The crack or no?
Low left. No, you can't shoot cracks.
I can't shoot the crack.
No. Come on, man, peek it. Come on. Here he comes.
Yeah, if he breaks the plane.
Nah. Watch that barrel. He's only gonna peek that. Hey, gun hits count, right, Randy?
Gun hits count, though. It's called it.
All right.
Gun hits do count.
He called like the 5th one. Window far. Oh, I think I hit it.
Double kill!
There's one.
Oh, there's one right. Oh, no, sorry. I'm bad. That one? Oh, come on, you hit, bud. Go out.
Remember, when you get shot, you need to move out of the way quickly because people are still shooting and they're going to get.
Anybody got a grenade?
I wish I did.
They would have been sweet for you guys.
Sure would. Jump again.
Jump again.
Jump again. I triple dog dare you to jump again.
Oh!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
That was me last game. Ah, my mag fell out. It would have been cooler if my mag stayed in. Here they come.
Made it through.
Oh, you're so dead.
Yeah, shoot with the red. Can't do that.
I don't see anybody. Should I just fucking send it, bud?
There's no sunlight full, bud. Go for it.
Ow! Fuck, my thumb! Ah! You wanna go? You wanna go? Go, 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 go! Faster, faster!
Run, Forrest.
You're empty, you're dry firing.
You made it.
Let's see if he dies right here.
Hey, reload.
No, let him figure it out. Oh, he made it.
No, you got it.
Okay.
Nice, guys.
Swing in. Oh. Is that a dude? Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
He tried.
Walk out, walk out, walk out. If you're hit, walk out. You don't need the... Kid, what are you doing? Whoops. That was a few. My bad.
Wait a minute.
Holding. Got him.
Don't put your head up.
Got him.
Got a boy.
One more in the back. Got him too. Ah, man, it floated in. I got him. Check this.
Edge of the contact clock moving up.
Got the other. We should be good. Ah, you missed it.
2 of them.
Another one, another one. I got this side. I got this side.
He's going for a grenade.
Kill him. Ah. What a weenie.
If you liked that video, you'll definitely like this one too. Come check it out and thanks for watching my channel.